What's up, y'all? We're back with another unboxing. This time around, it's with the Crunchyroll yearly box. This is the first one I ever got from them for a yearly. I did Funimation at first, but they didn't even give you anything for that Plus Ultra one, man. I tried talking support for that. I know a lot of people did, and they didn't do jack squat, so it's kind of a waste of money getting that Plus Ultra one. But at least this one, you're getting the highest tier. You get a yearly gift box, and this is the one they got. They had different categories to pick from. Of course, I went with One Piece. Some other ones I were tempted to go with, but you know I had to go with One Piece always, forever, unless it's a major one, then I'll go for that one. But till then, One Piece it is. So let's get to it. So we'll open this up, see what it gave us. Not too sure, since I don't even think it gave you much of a description of what it is. But man, they did glue it pretty good. That's for sure. That would be a little bit easier. Maybe it's right up here. Maybe I'm being an idiot. Yeah, I'm just being an idiot. It's at the top. You don't have to pour the other stuff. The glue's there for a reason. Open it up. So that goes. Where's the side? Oh, there it is. Tear here. Yeah, just tear here. If you know how to read, you know that's where you need a tear. And we got that part. Ah, it stuck to my finger. And we got the next. So, what did we get? First off, it says, if fandom love is out of this world, and like any good power-up, yours comes with special items. Thank you. So, first things first. Oh, they gave us a keychain. This is of, what's her name? The sister. Pudding. They gave us Pudding, so that's awesome. Put that out there. Next, we got a Nami Wanted lanyard. Pretty cool. Got a little nice little sexy picture. And then next, oh, we got Blippo. A Blippo thing. So we got 3 items only. Not too bad. We'll open these all up and then we'll show a little bit better. So we'll go with the Nami one first. Where you go? Nami, where they open you at? So there you go. So there we go. We got the Nami Wanted lanyard that glares up the butt there. Yeah, I can't get a good one. There we go. Decent, decent. There we go. And then there's the lanyard. The same thing throughout the lanyard. It just says Nami with their wanted poster. Not bad, not bad. Next, we got the Pudding keychain. Open that one up. Get a good view of that. See, there's Pudding. Not bad, with their eye open too. And last, we got the Blippo. This is interesting though. What does it say on here? Not for children 15 and under. This bag is not a toy. Is this like a... What is this? What the hell is this? It's like a pillow, I think? Let's see, what does it say? Pillow, yeah. One Piece pillows. I got a Blippo pillow. So it's like that. And then it folds in, so I guess you have it. It's a shield too. Cause I am Brom. With the little Poro up top. Blippo's a Poro. Not gonna lie, when I first saw it, that was a Poro. And I was like, this is One Piece, not League of Legends. But yeah, there you have it. Have him on the front, and then on the back is the logo. So, not the greatest, I'll say, for the monthly payment of the highest price, but even though I don't do monthly, I just pay the full year, so it's not that big of a deal. But overall, hoping for a t-shirt. Got a pillow, keychain, and a lanyard. So this is better than nothing like Funimation did, so I'm okay with that. I hope y'all enjoy. Let me know what y'all got in the comments below if you do the most powerful tier of the Crunchyroll. And let us know what box you picked when it came in it. Maybe I'll look up some YouTube videos of it too, see what people got. Anyways, thanks for watching. Take care, y'all. Much love. Peace.